Hi everyone, welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Today I'm sharing a little treat I love, a quick and easy single serve lemonade. Now I must admit no one else in my house likes lemonade, but I enjoy a refreshing glass occasionally. And one of my favorite things about visiting farmers markets or festivals is the fresh squeezed lemonade. My last trip was to the Cuyahoga Valley National Park in Ohio, and along the bike route, we stopped at the cutest farmer's market called Szalay's Sweet Corn Farm and Market. I had the most delicious lemonade there, and I watched the girl behind the stand add some simple syrup to fresh lemonade in a cup filled with ice. And I've been thinking about it ever since. I also recently went with friends to a lavender festival and enjoyed a lavender lemonade there as well. So today I'm recreating that delicious fresh squeezed lemonade at home. So let's get started. All right, to make this super easy lemonade, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. 2 fresh lemons, simple syrup, which is 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup hot water. You'll need ice cold water, 3/4 of a cup, and 1 cup of ice in a glass. You'll be keeping this glass of ice aside until we mix everything together, and then we'll be pouring our lemonade over the ice in the glass. First, I like to start with 1 or 2 fresh lemons. I bought my lemons in a large bag at Costco. I couldn't resist because they looked so good. I bought a lemon squeezer on Amazon. We start by cutting the lemons in half and squeeze the juice either into your glass, or I opted to squeeze my lemons into a measuring cup so I could pour the juice in when I was ready. If you love that tangy flavor, you can always add a little more lemon. So let's start filling our measuring cup with these delicious lemons. Next, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to the hot water, and we'll be giving it a good stir to dissolve the sugar. And once the sugar is dissolved, you'll have a simple syrup that we'll be using to pour in our lemonade. First, we'll pour our lemons that we squeezed into our measuring cup over the ice in our cup. Then we'll add the simple syrup we created, and how much you add really depends on how sweet you like it. I like mine just right in the middle, not too sweet, not too sour. Then we'll top it off with the ice cold water, and how much water you add also depends on how you like it as well. Now give it a good stir. And there you have it, a quick and refreshing single serve lemonade that takes me right back to Sally's Sweet Corn Farm and Market. So simple, so delicious, and perfect for a sunny day. So feel free to adjust the water and the sugar in your recipe so the lemonade tastes the way you like it. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy and fun recipes. Cheers! Here's my finished lemonade, half gone because it's so good. The lemon squeezer made it so easy. And here's me at Shalay's Sweet Corn Farm, ready to enjoy the day, sitting in my favorite spot on this cute picnic table. Enjoy the summer and savor every moment with this quick recipe. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.